This is a user review of the Blue microphone called Nessie. It's made by, obviously, Blue Microphones. It's a great little microphone. It stands, let's see, tape measure. Stands about 20 centimeters high, so about 10.5 inches high it stands. It's got 3 modes in the back. Show you here. Right now it's set to voice. You can set to music, voice, or raw mode, headphone jack, headphone and volume control, this little red button is the mute button. It doesn't take much to set it off. Or you just tap it. Tap it and it mutes. It doesn't make a click or nothing when you're recording. It just stops audio instantly. Just tap it and turn it back on. It's some kind of technology for just touching it. It's not a button. It's just you touch it and it turns it right off. The head can be pivoted. Build quality is great for a USB mic. And you're also getting the quality of Blue Microphones. Blue Microphones got a good reputation. They make good microphones. In my opinion, it's probably the best microphone I've had. I've tried the Yeti. I didn't really like the Yeti. I have a Snowball. I don't really like the Snowball that much. On my other notebook, I have a Samsung Meteor mic. It's not a bad mic, but it picks up a lot of noise from the notebook and when you're typing. This one here still picks up fan noise from this new notebook I have, but it doesn't really pick up a lot of extra background noise as the Samsung microphones do. So let's have some audio samples right now. Here are some audio samples. This is a test of the Blue Nessie microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to test the mute button. I'm going to test it in mid-sentence and listen for any noises like a click or a tick or anything. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch tumbling after. Did you hear anything? Did you hear any clicks? Let's try it again. Jack and Jill went up a hill to after. There should have been no ticks, no nothing in there. So that's the good quality of the microphone. It's the mute button is awesome. I've always wanted a mute button on a microphone, and I finally got a mute button that doesn't make a click or a tick when you actually mute it. So this concludes the audio sample. As you can hear, the microphone sound is absolutely perfect. Just really great sounding microphone. In my opinion, the build quality is good. I'm really happy with my purchase. I've owned it now for about a week. I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm happy with the microphone, and it works really well for me. When I'm recording, I sit right about here, and then on the laptop I record with my mouth about 10-12 inches away from the microphone, and it records very well. So if you're interested in a mic, check out the Blue Nessie, and I'll put some links in the description box below, links to Amazon and links to the Blue website where you can check out the Nessie, check out the specifications, and see if it's a microphone you want. In my opinion, it's a good mic. It does a good job. If you're in the market for a USB microphone, they're the only way to go. USB microphones are the only way to go if you're doing any kind of recording on a computer. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.